On the dais, the Chief Justice of India, Hon'ble Mr. Justice N.V. Ramana, Judges of the Supreme Court, Honorable Law Minister, Solicitor General, the Presidents, Secretaries of various associations. I am really happy to be part of this function. As Mr. Prabhakaran said, in one go, we have got 9 Supreme Court judges, especially one from our state. Our long pending request, as Mr. Tusar Mehta said, every lawyer would endeavor with some reliefs. There should be a representative judiciary. Representative in the sense, Supreme Court is and a judge of a High Court. It is ultimately, it is in a representative character. Our Honorable Chief Justices give adequate representation to all the states. Let all the High Courts be represented in the Supreme Court. Apart from that, our long-drawn vision is about the regional benches of the Supreme Court. Lawyers, everyone knows that the greater is the distance, is the lesser number of litigations in the Supreme Court. If you see Tamil Nadu, it contributes only 1% of litigations in Supreme Court. The reason is it is far away. Cost factor, it really affects a litigant to get justice before the Supreme Court. Therefore, they are kept away from the Supreme Court and is heart and soul of the Constitution. Let this heart and soul of this Constitution be felt in the regional benches. Let, at least during the tenure of our Chief Justice, let the regional benches of the Supreme Court come. And apart from that, this is the dream of every lawyer. Let this dose of justice be open to all the litigants and not it be confined to an affluent class of person who can litigate in Supreme Court. And last but not the least, I request Honorable Chief Justice to kindly consider the increasing the retirement age of judges of the High Court. If you make it from 62 to 65, that 3 years will certainly help them. The experience which they have gained all along will certainly be an asset for the bar as well as for the judiciary. So I would request at this juncture that the Honorable Chief Justice and the Honorable Law Minister is also there, kindly consider. In fact, there have been many recommendations. Our former Chief Justice of India, Mr. Ranjan Gogoi, and followed by the next Chief Justice, have also written letters to the Honorable Law Minister. In fact, as a parliamentarian, I have introduced bill to increase the age from 62 to 65. I have even introduced a bill for regional benches of Supreme Court. So all these things are, this is a high time where the Law Minister should take up this call and should consider the difficulties which the litigant face. Thank you very much. Thanks for the opportunity. I really thank Mr. Hon'ble Mr. and Mr. Prabhakaran, the chairman, who gave me this opportunity. Thank you. Thanks a lot.